So in today's video, I got a little package from Bedfordshire Beard Co, and I thought we'd just quickly open it up. I mean, I opened it so I didn't have to like get the knife out and do it awkwardly. We're gonna see what's in this bad boy, get some initial reactions on the scent and what the products look like and feel like. I think it's just some samples, they're not huge or anything, but it's awesome that they sent it over to me because the guys over there are doing magical things. Let's get into this. So guys, for any of you that don't know, I'm Daniel, I run the channel over here called Beardster, and I make beard and lifestyle videos for you, plus a bunch of other stuff, probably some point in time. So if you get any value out of seeing what's in this box, I try not to put my address everywhere. Hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when videos like this go live. So let's see what's in here. Stop looking at my feet, you little pervs. Right, here we go. So it looks like we've got a few different products in here. So here we have the Bedfordshire Beard Co, the Tobacconist Beard Balm. I think this one is a tobacco and vanilla beard balm, so I'm pretty happy about that. I love their labels, like this little tin is awesome. The labels are transparent and really clear, which is pretty cool. Just here we have a beard wash. So the beard wash is the Botanist. It's 50 milliliters, which is probably alright because beard washes tend to go quite far. I don't really know what the scent is on this one. I'm assuming that it is probably something woodsy, smells like earth, something cool like that. I'm not the biggest fan of that kind of scent. I'm just not a biggest fan of like woody and earthy scents in isolation. I don't mind a mix. Like citrus or like sweet smells are like my favourite. But we'll give it a go and hopefully it'll be quite nice. So next up we have the mango beard oil. That's a 10ml beard oil. That's pretty generous of the guys there. So it looks like it's mainly going to be a fragrance based oil, which is cool. Like fragrance oils, I've got nothing against them whatsoever, and that bottle just looks really nice. So we got the 3 products there. I actually just want to quickly see if I can get the balm on camera. First off, my god, I need this in a candle. I mean, guys, like, let me know, do you like candles? Because I do. It doesn't make you less of a man if you like candles. Don't worry about that. But this balm smells very sweet. It almost smells like, I can't put my hand to it. I was gonna say Play-Doh, but it's definitely not Play-Doh. There's like a sweet vanilla in there and then like an earthiness. It smells good. It's so smooth. It looks just like, it looks like a dessert. It looks like a cheesecake. That's how nice it looks. It genuinely looks like a cheesecake. I might end up eating it. I mean, I'm gonna use that in like no time at all. But it's awesome they sent me out a little tester like that. I might have to buy some more, if it's good that is. Like the smell is incredible. If that smell goes onto the beard like that, I'm gonna be really quite impressed, to be perfectly honest. Because that stuff is one of the nicest smells I've ever had the pleasure of smelling. Now, we've got the beard oil. Mango beard oil. That's the 20th batch by the looks of things. It's got a 6-month shelf life. Let's just quickly talk about the scent, because obviously I'm going to review each of these products individually. My god, they like their scents there. I like that a lot. It's definitely got that mango type smell. I mean, I don't really smell mangoes very often. I don't eat mangoes too often. It's not a fruit that I choose to eat very often. But it's got that sweet, it smells like a sweet. A citrusy sweet. It's definitely good. I like that a lot. I think if it goes on the beard and it smells like that on the beard, it's gonna do a nice job. It's mainly perfume, like I said. It's a fragrance based one. 6 to 8 drops recommended, that's standard, but yeah, really impressed by that. Next up, let's just check out the Botanist, the beard wash. So like you guys know, I've been using Kalamazoo for quite some time. I've got the review up. I love that stuff, but it's probably better as a facial wash more than a beard wash. It doesn't lather up as much as I would like it to. It gets the coverage, it's really good on my skin. But I want something sometimes to like shampoo the beard and really, you know, really get in there. Ooh. That surprised me. It smells like mossy, earthy, but it's got a freshness to it. Like each of these scents, the botanist, the tobacconist, the mango ones, they're scents that remind me of something. I can't, if I ever remember, I'll let you know, because it's not coming to me right now. It looks quite thick. It's like jelly in there. It smells beautiful. Like I mean, when I saw the name, the botanist, I ever thought it was going to be very floral, which is cool. I like lavender, ylang ylangs. I love really floral scents, but I don't necessarily like really woodsy, earthy scents. But that kind of is a nice mix. It kind of feels like you're walking through a nice British wood, which has got to be a good thing. Next up, I'll do a review of each of those products. I'll try them out for probably just a few days each, because that will give me a good feel for them. But thanks for watching the unboxing. Let me know if you kind of like what I'm doing with the unboxings. I still don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of making up as I go and having a bit of fun with it. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you very soon. Goodbye.